In this video, I am going to talk to you guys about what I've been doing for the past 8 months, and talk to you guys about who I am, my goals, and my dreams. Yeah, that's pretty much all that I'm going to talk about for you guys, just to get to know me, go through this journey with me. So don't mind me, I'm just drinking some hot tea. I want to clear my voice. Let me start off by telling you guys who I am. So basically, I am 25 years old. I live in Toronto, Canada. I graduated in entrepreneurship program in 2018. Ever since I graduated, I never wanted to find a job. I just wanted to hustle, save up, and start a business. Truth to be told, still haven't had any luck yet, but very soon I am working towards a couple things, which I will announce it maybe a couple weeks from now. So watch out for those announcements. I'm probably gonna do a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe so you can be up to date with that announcement, as well as if you go down below in the description, you can sign up for my newsletter, so you can be the first one to receive updates that I have. When the pandemic happened, I picked up a camera and I decided to become a YouTuber. And during that process, I was just making any type of videos, just doing it. So I was doing that for a little bit, and while I was doing that, I was also thinking of like, okay, what type of content do I want to provide? What type of content do you think I will enjoy doing? And also, what would people want to watch, right? At the end of the day, you know what I mean? People have to watch me in order for me to be successful in YouTube. Essentially, I wanted to go in the route of business and entrepreneurship. However, more specifically, or I guess niche, business planning. I looked around, there's not enough content on how to create a business plan or how to even plan like any form of business. Essentially, my mission is to help those who don't have a business, education or background, and help them have a successful, I guess, business. I'm still working on my mission statement. So with that being said, the last time I uploaded a video, I just thought like, okay, you know what? Like I really want to do YouTube. However, I want to provide business type of content. And I can't really provide business type of content if I don't have a business myself. You know what I mean? Like I just felt like I would be a fraud. Telling you guys like, hey, do this, giving you guys advice or giving you pointers and tips that I haven't even tried it myself. I decided like, okay, you know what? Let me put YouTube on hold and work crazy hard. And I've been like crazy hard. The pandemic happened in March 2020, right? When summer came, I found a job, and that job I was working for a renovation company. Here working 10, 11 hours a day. And I was working crazy hours, and then I quit that job because of a lot of issues. And then I went working like other different jobs. Literally, I was working like 6-7 days a week. Like literally every day I was working. I was hustling, trying to save up. I'll tell you the reason why I was saving up in another video. So make sure you look out for that video. Yeah, with that being said, during the 8 months, I was working crazy hard in order for me to start a business. And with that business, I will use that as a guinea pig, right? As a guinea pig, strategies or different ways on how I grow my business, gain more sales. I would document the whole process of from the time I started my business until, it becomes $1 million business, right? During the 8 months, I was just working literally every day, any type of job that I could find. I would work at the factory, like they were doing shipping for big retail companies. I also worked at a farm. This lady hired me to just work a couple hours on the weekends. So I was working there. What other job did I do? I did so many jobs. So I was doing that for like 8-10 months, and most recently, like I mentioned in another video, in my ride along video, that there was an opportunity that presented itself, which was a sales job, which I recorded myself doing. With that sales job, it was going well. I learned so much. I really enjoyed the process of learning. However, the company and the people around me, it was not a really good environment, very toxic. And also, it was not helping me grow. I was working too much hours for little pay, as well as the people there, they were not very communicative. I'm done with you guys. I'm just gonna go on and do my own thing. So that's what happened recently. I feel like everything happened like in a perfect timing, because as I was, working hard to get into that job, and then I did it for like a couple weeks, and then I left. Now I'm kind of transitioning to like, okay, you know what? Now I'm at home. I'm not doing much. Let me pick up where I left off. So where I left off is going back on YouTube full time, as well as using a business that I want to start as a guinea pig to create content and document the process of me starting that business. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And please don't forget, I'm gonna make the announcement in my next video, so make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell so you can be the first one to know. And also don't forget, down below there is a link to be added on my newsletter, so you can be the first one to receive any updates from me. And thank you so much for all the love, the support. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys. And peace out. See you in another video.